if I'm talking fast and moving fast, it's because I drank that Diet Dr. Pepper at Whataburger, and it's just got me, woo, I don't drink that stuff because I crash. And so it helps me for a little bit, but then I'm down probably for a while, so it's not worth it. But I mean, today, it's worth it. It was delicious. Diet Dr. Pepper, oof, my fave. So I'm off. Well, I'm not off. I'm not leaving yet, as you know. I mean, there's no way. There's too many things that aren't done yet. That's all. The terminals are not on the same side?
They are.
Oh, they are.
Positives here and negatives here.
Not something I would have asked. So while I was making videos, he went out and installed the battery and it fit. And I've decided to go with this for right now because I think it's just, for $129, that's a good interim thing until I decide whether or not I'm gonna keep making videos. If I have, I'll have just enough power to upload some. So it's in. I have reliable battery power, and the one that Anderson's gave me in Flagstaff still has a little bit left in it, like a couple days, 2.5 days maybe of the fridge. Not much, but it'll still be good as a backup for now. And we'll see how that works. I'm going to do some research to see if I made the right decision. If you guys know if I made the right decision on that, or for $129, if there was something I could do better, let me know. I'm back at Discount Tire this morning. It's Friday, and they've got my tire in, so they're going to put it on and take that screw out and put the rims on that somebody sent me. So it's going to be a great day. I know it is. No matter what happens, it's going to be good. And then I'll show you how good looking this rig is. It's very deceiving, but it's still good looking. Like me. Good looking, but very deceiving. For what? What am I deceiving? I don't know. I'm deceiving me, thinking I can do whatever I want. But that's okay. It's the funnest deception game you could ever play. It has unexpected results, but I mean, is life really supposed to be expected? That wasn't a good line. You can come up with a better one. I'm thinking about tires, not my unexpected deceiving myself life. Okay, bye. These people are moving so fast. They're like, I'm like, wait, hold on. So he's gonna go out there and he asked if Teddy bit, and I was just like, I don't know. He hasn't yet. Depends.
Which one was that?
The front driver's side has the screw in it, the new tire.
And which other one are we replacing?
And then you're replacing the front passenger one. Okay. So we're going out right now. Those curtains.
Right? They're dangerous.
Oh yeah, I know they are. They flew in my face once. Today's the day. Yes.
All right, well, let's get you in here. Let's get you written up.
Okay. I know. Don't say anything.
I just wanted to make sure that
don't officially say on video that those are dangerous. Don't use the word dangerous. Just say, you know, they could be changed out.
It wouldn't hurt to replace those.
It wouldn't hurt to replace those. Those are much better words. That's what YouTube would like to hear. Okay, go ahead and shut that.
All right, let's go get you.
Okay. What's the grand total? Whoops.
$175.36.
175.36. 175?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks like you already put a deposit down on it last
Oh,
time.
20. I was like, it was 195. Okay, yeah, with the 20. Okay, there you go.
You'll insert your check for me right there.
Did I get him fired?
No, he's out there today.
Oh, he's out there changing tires?
Yeah, you're probably the one working on your car.
You have a trainee working on a queen's car? I'm a famous. You're a silhouette. There you are.
He's a trainee up here, but up there he's an expert.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I hope to get him on video and thank him. He did a good job. Ah, she's in. She's in and getting safe. I love it. It's a beautiful day, too. It's too noisy to talk out here. It's too noisy to shoot anywhere in this area. This is where my brother's flip house is, and it's just, there's dogs barking and cars and helicopters and fire engines and yeah, there's a lot of noise. The only place to shoot is inside the RV, in a parking lot, behind like a Target or something. Boy, I can't wait for no noise. It's gonna be so loud when I hear no noise. It's just gonna be like, I mean not loud, but it's gonna be deafening, quiet.